Hey friends, if you wish to change system sounds and audio settings, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for system sounds in the Windows search bar and click on change system sounds. Now, by default, it could have been selected at no sounds or at Windows default or a certain modified value. So if a modified value is present, then select that one, and if it is not, then select Windows default. Okay, I'll select the modified one, and then it shows Windows sounds under the Windows folder. There may be other folders, but under the Windows folder it will show Windows sounds, like for desktop mail notification, like for a device disconnect, like for low battery alarm, like for maximizing and all. So these are all Windows sounds. You can change the sound, you can change it to something else like Windows Notify, or here's what I usually do. I scroll it to the absolute top and there are a few rings here, 10. I select amongst them and then I test it here. Okay, then I can click on apply and then on OK to save these settings. Okay, this is how I can change it, and then if I wish to revert it, then I will be selected to no sounds. This is how I can manage system sounds on my computer. I can also save these as separate profiles. All I need to do after this is click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.